Welcome back to the channel. It is Coupon with Niche, and we are currently inside of CVS. I'm going to go through the second week of deals that we have from 7/12 to 7/18. This past week, we had some really good deals, so a lot of those will be repeat, but let's go ahead and get right into it. This past week, we had some really good deals on our skincare products, and I'm hoping that we get some more digital coupons. That way, we're able to really take advantage of these deals. One deal that I was super excited to do for this upcoming week was going to be on the L'Oreal Paris products. When you spend $30, you're going to get $12 in extra care bucks. We do have a 5 off a $25 coupon, but it does expire today. So I'm hoping that we get a new one tomorrow. But you could pick up one of these for $30.99. Clip that 5 off a $25 coupon and get your $12 back in extra care bucks. It will make your final cost for one of these just $13.99. Like I said, that coupon does expire today, but I'm hoping that we get another 5 off a $25 coupon. That way we can still do this deal. If you're in need of lotion, this Nivea deal is going to be really good for you. They are priced at $7.29 in store. Online, you guys, they are $6.99, so you can still do that deal online if you want. But when you purchase two, you will get $7 in extra care bucks. So you would pick up two of them for $14.58, and we have a $2 off coupon. You're going to pay $12.58 at the register, and then you're going to get $7 back in extra care bucks, making your final cost for both just $5.58. Nivea's Women Body Wash is going to be priced at $6.99. When we purchase two, we will get $7 in extra care bucks. We do have a $2 coupon that is attaching, so this could be a really good deal for you. Some additional body wash that we will have is going to be on our Aveeno. They are going to be buy one, get one 40% off. But on the larger bottles, they are going to be priced at $9.99. For the Aveeno, we don't have any digital coupons as of yet. I am hoping that we get some tomorrow or they drop in our app at some point. That way we can have a really good deal on our Aveeno. Now, for our men's body wash, we have our Dove. It is a little different than the women's. They are buy one, get one 50% off. And when you purchase two, you will get $2 in extra care bucks. So you could pick up two of these Dove body wash. It will be $14.68. You're going to click this $3 off coupon. It will bring you down to $11.68. And then you're going to get the $2 in extra care bucks, making your final cost for both just $9.68. Another good deal that we have is going to be on our Nivea men's body wash. They are priced at $5.99. And when you purchase two, you will get $7 in extra care bucks. And you guys, we also have a $2 off coupon. So I believe at the end of all of that, you will pay like $2.98 for the Nivea's men. So such a good deal. We also have our Iris Spring. They are buy one, get one 50% off. And we also have $3 in extra care bucks that we are going to get when we purchase any two. Now, we don't have a digital coupon for the Iris Spring. I'm hoping that we do have one tomorrow. But those are just a few of the body wash that you can do. Let's move along to this next aisle. That way we're able to see what they have for us. Oh, look at this, you guys. So when you spend $50 on any Green Dot or Go To Bank card, you're going to get $10 in extra care bucks. So this could be a really good deal, especially if you use these type of gift cards anyways. Why not? You're going to get $10 back. A deal that I did not speak about last week was on our Mielle hair care products, but this is a really good deal, especially if you use the Mielle hairline. They are two for $20, and when you buy two or more, you will get $7 in extra care bucks. So you're going to pick up a shampoo and a conditioner. Your cost is going to be $20, but you're going to click this $3 off coupon. You're going to pay $17 out of pocket, get that $7 back in extra care bucks, making your final cost for this just $10 or about $5 a piece. So really good deal on the Mielle hairline if this is what you use. We also have our Camille Rose. They are part of that same deal, so you could do this as well. But you guys, another great deal that we have is going to be on our Garnier Fruit Shampoo and Conditioner. They are going to be priced at $4.49. And when you buy two, you will get $3 in extra care bucks. So pick up a shampoo and a conditioner, and you're going to clip this $3 off of two coupon. You're going to pay $5.98 at the register, and then you're going to get that $3 back in extra care bucks, making your final cost just $2.98. Toothpaste deals that we have are going to be on our Colgate and on our Crest. So if you like Colgate, this is going to be a great deal for you. We have our Colgate Total Active Prevention toothpaste. They are $3.99. And when you buy two or more, you're going to get $4 in extra care bucks. So you are going to pick up two of them, and you're going to clip this $3 off coupon. You're going to pay $4.98 at the register, but you're going to get $4 back in extra care bucks, making your final cost for both just 98 cents or about 49 cents each. Colgate Optic White toothpaste is going to be priced at $5.99. And when you purchase two or more, you're going to get $5 in extra care bucks. Pick up two of them them for $11.98. And you're going to click the 6 off of 2 coupon. You're going to pay $5.98 at the register, but you're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks, making your final cost just 98 cents. Crest Pro Health Toothpaste is going to be priced at $3.99. And when you purchase 2 or more, you're going to get $4 in extra care bucks. Pick up 2 of them for $7.98. You're going to clip this $2 off coupon. You're going to pay $5.98 at the register, get that $4 back in extra care bucks. That would make your cost $1.98. You are then going to go over to Ibotta, submit your receipt to get $2 back. It is a limit up to one time, but this will make this a moneymaker of just 2 cents. Also, make sure you're checking your CVS because the FIFA products are going to be 50% off. So, some of the keychains, we have some of the air little pods, we have some fans down here that are part of that 50% off. You don't need any digital coupons, they will ring up that way. But it does look like it's on all of the FIFA items. So, we have shirts, hats, and we also have some of these sets down here, but they are going to be 50% off and it is going to be good through 7/19. If you are loving the deals and the breakdowns, go ahead and put red hearts in the comments. You guys, we have some really good deals on some of our laundry care products this week as well. So we're going to go through some of those. Swiffer products are going to be on sale for $10.99. You would pick up 2 of them and clip this $10 off of 2 coupon. You're going to be left to just pay $11.98 for both. Another great deal that we have is going to be on our laundry detergent. We have this really good promotion that when we spend $25, we will get $8 in extra care bucks. We are going to look at the Tide that is priced at $12.99. Pick up 1 and clip this $3 off coupon. And then we're also going to look at the Gain Flings. They are priced at $12.99, part of that same promotion. And we have a $3 off coupon attaching. Both of your items is going to cost you $25.98. We have $6 worth of coupons, leaving us to pay $19.98 at the register. You're going to get that $8 back in extra care bucks, making your final cost for both just $11.98. A deal that I did not get a chance to do last week that was really good was on the finished pods. They are priced at $12.99. And when you spend $15 worth, you're going to get $3 in extra care bucks. I did see a lot of people do this deal and they picked up 2 of them and click this buy one, get one free coupon. You're going to pay $12.99 at the register, but you are going to get $3 in extra care bucks. It's going to make your final cost just $9.99. Now, if you need these finished pods, they are $6.99, and that $3 in extra care bucks does apply if you spend $15. In addition to those finished pods, we do have the Lysol wipes that are part of that same deal. So if you want to do a little mix and match, you can. But we have our Lysol wipes that are priced at $4.49 and $6.99 that are part of that same spend 15, get $3 in extra care bucks. This type of Lysol stuff is going to be really good, especially with back to school coming. So if you're able to stock up, go ahead and do so. Some of our menstrual care products are going to be on really good promotions and deals. We have our Always pads that are part of that spend 25, get $8 back in extra care bucks. We have our Kotex that are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. Check your app. You may have a digital coupon for this. We also have our Carefree that are buy one, get one 50% off. And when you purchase any 2, you're going to get $2 in extra care bucks. And then we have our Playtex that are going to be on that same promotion. Now you are able to combine the Playtex and the Carefree. So if you want to grab one of each, you can, but that $2 does apply to both of those items. And then we have our Poise pads. They are also going to be on this extra care buck deal that when you purchase any 2, you will get $5 back. So we have some really good deals. I will do more breakdowns throughout the week, but this is just something that you can kind of keep in mind. That way when you go shopping, you know exactly what you're looking for. Baby deals that we will have are going to be really good as well. We will have our splashers. They're going to be priced at $9.99. And when you spend $25, you will get that $8 in extra care bucks. I believe we have a coupon, but make sure you check your app. We also have our Huggies. They're going to be 2 for $22. And when you spend $20, you will get $5 in extra care bucks. I'm going to look and see if we have a coupon for that as well. But if we do, you already know it will make the deal even better. And then for our loves, you guys, they're going to be priced at $10.49. And some of our pull-ups are 2 for $22. And when we purchase $20 worth, we're going to get $5 in extra care bucks as well. So I am going to do some diaper breakdowns tomorrow, but this is going to be some deals that you need to keep in mind in case you are needing some of these products. Paper good items that you may want to keep a lookout for is going to be on our Cottonelle. They are 2 for $8. When you spend $20 worth, you're going to get $5 in extra care bucks. Our Charmin is going to be priced at $9.99. When you spend $25, you will get $8 in extra care bucks. So it is on that same promotion that I was talking about earlier, you guys. Our Quilter Northern is priced at $12.99. We have some more Charmin that is priced at $6.99. part of that same spend 25, get $8 back in extra care bucks. And then we have some of our Viva paper towels. They are priced at $11.99. And when you purchase two or more, you are going to get $5 in extra care bucks. Actually, it's $20 in participating items. So we have some deals that you all may want to take advantage of. We also have our bounty, but the bounty deal is elsewhere. You guys already know that. But you guys, I will see you all in my next video. But let me know in the comments if this video helped.